Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my updated wash day routine. So I'm going to start by separating my hair into 3 sections because I already detangled it. If your hair is a lot thicker than mine, or if you know it's tangled, you might want to make more sections. Next thing I'm gonna do is completely soak that first back section of my hair, just separating it, making sure every strand is wet before I put any product on my hair. So for my shampoo, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I love this shampoo. It doesn't dry my hair out, but it gets it really clean. It actually kind of hydrates my hair. My hair just happens to love castor oil, so I'm only applying this to my roots, and then I add a little bit of water just to get it throughout the rest of my scalp. If you want, you can part your hair and apply more directly to your scalp, but just focus on your scalp. You don't want to run the shampoo through the strands of your hair, especially if you have dry hair. Just focus on your scalp, scrub, and then rinse. While I'm rinsing my hair, I'm still going to scrub my scalp just to make sure that I'm getting all the product out and all the dirt off of my scalp. And this helps it get through the rest of the hair strand. For my conditioner today, I'm using the Tresemme Touchable Softness. I love this conditioner just because it has a lot of slip. It helps me really detangle my hair. And I often use this conditioner before I deep condition just because it helps me to detangle my hair. And I'm just going to use a lot and put it all throughout my hair before I go into detangle. To detangle my hair, I start at the bottom with my Demon brush and work my way up to my roots. As I rinse my hair, I go through with the Demon brush just to make sure I get all of the conditioner out, and it just helps it stay detangled. For the front section, I'm going to do the same thing. Just make sure that it's completely soaking wet before I put any shampoo. And then I apply the shampoo only to my roots all the way around and scrub. And when it's time to condition, I do the same thing. I apply it through my whole head, and then I go ahead with my Demon brush from my ends to my roots and detangle. And that's it, you guys. Really easy just to keep your hair clean under your protective styles, your wash and goes, under your wigs, whatever it is you're doing with your hair right now. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.